Okay, so let us see how do we handle more questions about maps. So this one is just a matter of interpreting. You are from what unit to what unit. We said big to small, we multiply, small to big, we divide. That's the idea. Now here we have two schools are 10 centimeters apart on a map with a scale 1 to 50. This means that 1 centimeter on that map is representing 150 centimeters on the ground. Find the distance in meters on the ground. So now this time they are giving us, they want us to get the distance in meters. You know that always 1 meter, because we have now centimeters and now meters. You see that 1 meter is having 100 centimeters. So mean that the distance they want will be the map distance. They told us that the distance apart on the map is 10. Now times the coordinate scale. We shall get the scale of the map, which is 150. We divide by how many meters, how many centimeters are in 1 meter, because we are converting it to meters. So now, you see that now 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So we divide by 100 centimeters, and all this now will be in meters. You see this and this castle, I'll be having 10, 1.5, and divide this here, and this will give me, this times this will give me 15 now meters. So the ground distance is 15 meters. When you count this now, they are telling us that if that is on a map, so they are giving us the distance on the map, represent 45 kilometers on the ground, find the map scale. They want now to get the scale. So now the ground distance here was given as 45 kilometers. So the ground distance here is 45, equaling to the map distance is 36. Now times the scale. Now I want the scale. Let me call it y. So if I get this divided by this will be 45 over 36 equaling to y. And you see from there, your 45 divided by 36, the answer is 1.25. Now, you know that this scale has to be in centimeters, or our scale is in centimeters. So meaning that my scale, I have now to convert these to, because I know these are now in kilometers. So I want to know now what this is in kilometers. In centimeters. So my y now will be 1.25. All these are in kilometers. So why in kilometers? Because we are adding units for the ground. So now this would be now 1.25 times now 1 kilometer. From here, 1 kilometer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has 100,000 centimeters. 100,000 centimeters. Now these are in centimeters, and so this will be now 125 over 1,000. Now my scale is going to be, now it's that 1 centimeter on a map will represent this, because this is the distance on the ground. So because this is the distance on the ground, it's that 1 centimeter we represent on the map will represent 125 over 1,000 centimeters on the ground with ease. Here, still 2 towns are those meters on the ground, so we have the ground distance. If they are 5.5 centimeters on the map, find the representative fraction. The RF is the same as the scale, but this time we give it as a fraction. So the same idea. The ground distance, this time is given in meters as 275. This is the ground distance. The map distance is 5.5, then times the scale we want. So if I get this divided by this, I'll be having equal to my y. You just get your calculator. This one I'm getting 50 is equal to y. So this is y, now 50. Now these are in meters, because the ground distance was given in meters. I know that our scale is always in centimeters. So I convert now this to centimeters, but I know that from here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So this will be now 50 times now 100. Now this will be, they will be in 1 centimeter. Why? Because I know that 1 meter is equivalent to 1,100 centimeters. So if I multiply, now my y here will be 5,000 centimeters. Now these are the units in centimeters, meaning that now 1 centimeter on the ground will represent 5,000 centimeters on the ground. But this is the scale. Now to give it in RF, therefore the RF will be now 1 over 5,000 is. So that's how we handle these questions. Members, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.